The unlikely alliance. In the heart of a lush, green forest where sunlight danced through the leaves lived a cunning fox named Felix and a wise old tortoise named Tilly. Felix was renowned for his quick wit and agility, while Tilly was respected for her profound knowledge of the forest's secrets. One crisp autumn morning, a rumor spread through the woodland. A fierce storm was approaching, one that could uproot trees and flood the meandering streams. The animals, frightened and anxious, gathered in a clearing to discuss their predicament. Felix, ever the opportunist, proposed a plan to find shelter in a nearby cave that he had discovered during one of his escapades. However, as the discussions wore on, Tilly raised her voice, advocating for a different approach. "We must work together," she said slowly, her eyes glinting with wisdom. "The cave may protect us from the storm, but it is too small for all of us. We should build a communal shelter." While the fox scoffed at the idea, the other animals began to see Tilly's point. They decided to follow her lead, gathering branches and leaves to construct a sturdy refuge. Felix, realizing that his charm had not swayed them, reluctantly joined in, using his speed to fetch materials. As the storm raged outside, the animals huddled together in their new home, safe and warm. Felix, once a lone wolf, felt an unfamiliar warmth in his heart. It was the bond of friendship and collaboration. The storm passed, but the alliance between the fox and the tortoise endured, reminding them that sometimes strength lies in unity.